Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hometainment. Today I am sharing the recipe of really yummy jaggery rice or gur wali chawal. Ingredients are given in the description box. First of all, we have to soak the rice for 20 minutes in another pan. Heat clarified butter on medium flame slowly so that it won't burn. When the butter melts, add 3 to 4 cardamom pods. Let them crackle. When the oil or ghee get hot, add fennel seeds about 1 teaspoon. Let them heat. Add 3 tablespoons crushed nuts and cook them on low flame. Now add coconut slices 5 to 10. Thin slices or small pieces are good enough. This will give a very light aroma. Now add jaggery or gur about 250 grams. Now add 1/4 cup of water so that gur or jaggery melts slowly. Not more than 1/4 cup. Let the gur or jaggery melts on slow heat. Flame should be very low. Now cover the pan. After 5-7 minutes, jaggery is almost melt. Turn off the flame and set aside. Now it's time to boil the rice. Take 1 liter of water in a pan and let it boil. When it starts boiling, drained rice should be added. Let it cook on medium flame. When the rice get half cooked, drain the rice and now add drained rice in that jaggery which we have already prepared. Now melt jaggery with the rice with the help of spatula with great care, slowly and gradually, so that rice won't break a lot. After mixing, turn the flame to low and cover it with the lid. After 20 minutes, rice are ready. Garnish it with dry nuts, any you like, and serve it with cream.